Hey, I'm gas, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm with my brother. Look. Hey, let's switch it up. Hey, look. Hey, back to vomit, the pathological rhymer. Often with fire, like the man who pocket the lighter. I saddled up on the rise when it's like a stopping for drivers. Guess you came down to save out and just the grab with your prime up. Like Hannibal on a mammoth plodding beside you with catatonic desires. And I'm popping your tires. You man a softened vagina with pads of cotton inside. Salad tossed in your hand with a dash of rotten papaya, bruh. You're witnessing the sickest in the UK. Stick him in the booth and I've been thinking it was doomsday. Monday night madness and my fist is in the fool's face. One blow, have his nose dripping into Tuesday. Say he's standing for something, they challenging nothing. You struggle to make a splash, I'm causing volcanic eruption. Chemical power combustion, apparently bluffing when this spam disrupts your mechanical function. Always in the midst of the drama, middle finger in karma. Fuck up your head, as if you're giving shit to your barber. You're like, look over here while you're swimming with the piranhas. I'm like, hold my beard and go skinny dipping in lava. Who's next, man? What? Go. Right, go.
Listen, maestro. First thing, yo. Sit in the hill and hold them and pretend to sit in with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the work before the sex. But I'm looking at the wine world, it's looking like a mess. Sit in the hill and hold them and pretend to sit in with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the work before the sex. But I'm looking at the wine world, it's looking like a mess. Your prophecy was spread. The world is all about and then this fragile was an end. So rise up from the dead. I said the evil tried to rise from guys and let them end. Times I push man over the edge. With conditions and the pressure, so just ride it like a sledge. Not frightened for the government, the army, nor the feds. He need bring the guillotine for these crazy warlords. The prophet rise above the stress, and just above the clouds I find a land of righteousness. Where every man and wife is blessed, and return back with the fire for society to digest and digress. Back to the sickness which I detest. I bring a message for the hard-working pissed and depressed. We're all blessed, but a gift different from the rest. Find it then we'll share it and forget the selfishness.
Who's next, man? Who's next? Yo, Klaus, come on. Don't be shy. Hey, don't be shy, man. We're in here running the cycle. Who's running their suits out there, man? Who's high as a mother lover right now? Alright, no one wanna beat themselves up, bro. Hey, come on, man. Don't be shy, you lot, yeah? Hey, look. Hey, you're from the harsh parts of London. The last laughing while he was your smart ass, wondering how his large ass snacking, but you can't ask nothing. You're supposed to know his ways. Behold the ace with a poker face, mask, hard shuffling.